Hey, do you feel tired every day? Do you want a big change, but it is very hard? Do you start something new and then stop? Do you say, I will do it tomorrow, not today? I know this feeling. I had this feeling too. Many people have this problem. But today, I will help you. We will learn together. It is not a secret. Small steps bring big results. Are you ready for a new life? Let's go. Chapter 1. One small step. Start today. Do you always wait for the perfect moment to start something new? You wait and wait, but the perfect moment never comes to you. Look at a small baby who wants to walk for the first time. A baby does not run on the first day. A baby sits, then crawls, then walks. Only then the baby runs. You are the same. For example, you want to read big books in English. Do not read for 1 hour today. That is too much. Read for only 5 minutes. It is very easy, right? So take your book right now, open it, and read 1 page. Maybe read only 10 sentences. This is your first small step. And this step is already a big success. You started, and starting is the hardest part. Small actions today are much better than big plans for tomorrow. You are moving forward, and that is the most important thing. Chapter 2. Every day counts. Build your habit. Do you brush your teeth every morning and every evening? Of course you do. Why? Because it is a habit. You don't think about it, you just do it. Science says a habit forms in 21 days. Your brain is like a beautiful garden. You plant a small seed every day. You give it a little water every day. You don't give it 20 liters of water on Monday and nothing on Tuesday. No, you give it a little water every single morning. Then you see a big flower. For example, you want to learn English words. Do not study for 3 hours on Monday and then sleep for 6 days. Study for 10 minutes every day. Set your phone alarm right now. Write a note, 10 minutes for my dream. Do it every day without breaks. Your garden will grow very fast. Chapter 3. Mistakes are okay. Fall and get up. Did you fall today? That is okay. Did you make a mistake? That is perfect. Why? Because you are learning. Do you know Thomas Edison, the man who made the light? He made 1,000 mistakes before he finished the light bulb. Imagine this. Edison stops at mistake number 900. He says, I am tired, I quit. If he did that, we would all sit in the dark right now. It's funny, but it's true. For example, you start a healthy diet. You eat apples and salad, but on Friday you see a big chocolate cake. You eat the whole cake. It happens to everyone. Do not cry, do not stop. On Saturday morning, you start again. One cake does not ruin your big goal. One mistake is not the end of the world. So tell yourself right now, I am a student. Mistakes help me grow. Chapter 4. Celebrate small wins. You deserve it. Do you wait for the final goal to be happy? That is not a good idea. Your brain loves rewards and presents. Psychologists say, small rewards give you big motivation. Your brain is like a happy, cute dog. Give the dog a treat, and the dog wants to work more. You need to give treats to yourself too. You must be kind to yourself when you work hard. Positive emotions help you to stay on your long way. For example, you wrote your first paragraph in English. That is amazing. Don't just go to sleep. Eat a piece of chocolate. Call your friend and say I did it. You did something real today. So after this video, go and do one small task and then celebrate. Maybe listen to your favorite song. Maybe eat a cookie. Your brain will say, I like this. Let's do it again tomorrow. And you will. Chapter 5. See your progress, track your journey. Do you remember where you started? Most people forget their first steps. They only look at the top of the high mountain. They think, oh, the mountain is so high, I am so low. But stop and look down. You already climbed many meters. You need to see your progress every week. Your small actions build a very beautiful road for you. This simple list will show that you are strong. For example, take your phone, open your Notes app. Write today's date and your big goal. Then write one small thing you did today, only one. This is your progress map. In 1 month, open this note and read it. You will be very surprised. You will say, wow, did I really do all this work? Yes, you did. You are a champion. So right now, open your phone, write your goal, write one action from today. You are already walking to your dream. Let's remember all the important steps we learned today. Start with a small step and start it right now. Do something every day because it builds a very strong habit. Remember that mistakes are your best teachers in this life. Celebrate every small win because you deserve to be happy. Watch your progress every week to see your great results. One big idea is that small steps make a big life. You are not too late and you are not slow. You are exactly where you need to be right now. Take your first small step today. I believe in you. See you in the next video and have a great day.